It's really interesting. I've just arrived from Australia. I was living there for 5 years.
Crocs and sharks in every body of water that you go to. There's snakes, spiders, and everything there can kill you.
We've got a 9-foot python and lives in our roof.
Yeah?
Yeah, called Monty.
Maybe our favourite cousin, I'd say, yeah.
I don't know what it's...
Oh, you mean a boomerang?
Boomerang, yeah.
Yeah, barbecues and that there's horrible animals out there.
They go up at the end like that.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
I will not be attempting an accent, but...
Hiya, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. Today, I wanted to find out what the people of Brighton think of our cousins from halfway around the world. But before we get started, we're excited to announce that we're hosting our first ever Easy English meetup in the UK. Come join not only us, but also Easy German in Brighton. If you'd like to join us in August, then click the link up here. This is what Brits think of Australians. Here we go. Okay, so who is this person?
Don't know who that is.
Not a clue?
I don't know who that is, no.
Okay.
I recognise him, but I don't know.
Fine. He's ex-Brighton resident.
Oh, okay.
I recognise him.
Yeah?
Like an actor.
Do you know who this is?
Yeah, it's Nick Cave.
Okay, and who is Nick Cave?
So he is a singer.
Okay.
He was in the band Nick Cave and the Bad Seeds.
Great.
He's a director.
Right, yeah.
Who is it?
Nick Cave.
Nick Cave. That's
okay.
Nick Cave, of course it is.
Who's this?
Oh my god. Wait, I know Chris Hemsworth.
Well done.
Oh, phew.
You're in. Who's this?
Oh, Chris Hemsworth. Yeah.
Okay, and who's Chris Hemsworth?
Thor. I was going to say Captain America, yeah. Oh, crap. It's the Thor...
Yeah?
Yeah, Thor guy.
okay.
It's not Chris Hemsworth.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
okay,
is.
yeah.
Good job. Good job. Who's this guy?
Oh, that's Chris
Hemsworth.
Hemsworth.
That is Thor.
He's an actor
Very good.
from Australia.
Very good.
Margot Robbie.
My girlfriend.
That's my girlfriend, yeah.
That's Margot Robbie.
Who's this?
Margot Robbie.
And who's Margot?
I know her from the movie Barbie.
Who's this?
That's Barbie.
Margot Robbie.
Also Australian.
Yeah.
No. Who's this?
Oh my god. I nearly said Lady Gaga, but no.
Not far off. Do you know who that is?
No.
Don't you usually see her face?
Sia.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
I could hear her voice through the picture. I swear to God.
you get that?
That's Sia.
Very good.
Oh, well done.
Yeah.
Oh, my
Usually
God.
you can't see her face because her fringe covers.
Oh, well done.
She's Sia, isn't she?
Yeah, really good.
Oh, that's Chandelier.
Yeah.
Sia.
Oh, Sia of Chandelier. Oh, gonna swim. Yeah.
Not many people have got
I
that.
once googled what does her face actually look like, so...
She's got a good Christmas song. Ho, ho, ho. That's
I don't
what-
know it.
No.
No idea.
No, okay.
I don't know.
No.
I think he's Australian.
Nick Kyrgios.
Nice.
Yeah.
No.
Recognise the face?
It's a bit like your uncle.
That's
No,
not the virgin guy, is it?
No idea.
Not as in, he's a virgin.
No,
as in the virgin man. What's his name?
What's his name?
Richard.
It's not
Yeah,
Richard
but-
Branson,
yeah.
is it? No.
Richard Branson.
Similar haircut though,
Yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
yeah.
No, literally.
No idea.
No, okay.
No idea.
That's fine. Julian Assange.
Oh, okay.
What's her name? Rebel Wilson.
Well done.
Yeah.
Smashing
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, she's on Pitch Perfect.
Okay.
Oh my god. Megan Trainor? No.
No, but I think you're...
Adele.
No.
This is honestly.
Rebel Wilson. Yeah.
Well done.
She's from Australia as well.
And then last one.
No.
I recognise her. I know she's no idea.
No?
That's Margot Robbie's mother.
Oh, is it?
Is it not?
It's not Kylie
My
Minogue.
mother-in-law.
It is.
My
Wow,
mother-in-law.
you got it, Kylie.
Who is it?
Kylie Minogue.
Good job. And lastly,
Kylie Minogue.
wow.
Queen.
Kylie,
Very good. Okay.
so
who did a
definitely
song with Nick Cave.
Yeah,
Wow,
and
very-
she's Australian as well. She was
Yes.
in Neighbours.
She has a sister.
Very nicely bookended.
Thanks.
You actually got quite a lot, so I reckon you can probably guess what connects them all.
Oh yeah, connections.
Do have like one big connection, you know, actors, actresses.
Australian.
Chris Hemsworth and that Margot Robbie and the tennis player.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're all Australian.
perfect. There's one overriding connection of them all.
Well, a lot
Like
of them
Chris
are
Hems-
Aussie.
Are they Australian? No. Are they? I know Rebel Wilson and Chris Hemsworth are Australian.
No, what, sorry?
Australian.
Yeah! If you're looking to improve your English, then why don't you consider becoming a member of Easy English with the link up here. Not only will you help support myself and Easy to continue making Easy English videos, but you'll also, in return, get language learning extras in a selection of our perks. If you're looking to improve your listening skills, you could become a member of our Easy English podcast. There you'll receive the interactive transcript for each episode that we publish, translating the podcast into various languages to help you keep up and follow along with what we're talking about. So to become an Easy English member, go to easyenglish.video/membership. Now back to the episode.
It's really interesting. I've just arrived from Australia. I was
Oh, really?
living there for 5 years, so
Really?
it's kind of, yeah.
Perfect. What have you heard then? If you've never been, never met one, what's like kind of a stereotype you might know of Australians?
I don't know. Yeah, barbecues and that there's horrible animals out there.
I mean, all the people you showed us were blonde, but the guy I know is not blonde.
I think they're quite like, I see them a bit fun and free-spirited and open-minded.
They love a good
They're all
barbecue.
good looking.
Yeah, they're all very
Yeah.
good looking.
They are.
Yeah, Margot Robbie.
Beach hair.
Jesus.
Chris Hemsworth.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Love a good barbecue.
Was he a surfer? I think he does surf.
Oh, really?
They're very outgoing people. There's definitely an indigenous side to Australia, and it's very separated. So you have like Australians and then indigenous. It's like two different cultures over there.
People that live like in the outbacks and stuff are all quite adventurous and you know, don't really give a like me personally would never go to Australia just because I hate spiders.
Australia's awesome. That's where we're.
There you go.
I'm going to find him in a bit.
Do it.
Was he Aussie?
Yeah, so that's where we're from.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. I'm going to go find him then.
From my childhood, it was more like, you know, cricket and Crocodile Dundee and Kylie Minogue and bloody. The cricket obviously was a massive one. I love the cricket and the Ashes, so I always had an inkling to go out to Australia for sure.
Okay.
What was that guy's name? The crocodile hunter guy.
Oh, yeah.
Stephen Owen.
Stephen Owen.
Owen,
Yeah.
yeah.
I used to love watching his shows when I was a child.
They throw, they call the the sticks that come back.
What? I don't know what it's.
Oh, you mean a boomerang?
Boomerang, yeah. No, that's Australian?
Yeah.
Is that your stereotype?
Yeah, that's a good. No, but that's a good
That's
one.
not my stereotype, but that's what I've heard.
Is there something that connects us, the people, culture?
Well, yeah, for sure. It's funny. A lot of people in England, in Australia, as a slang, call me a pom, which is actually from Prisoner of Mother England. So, as such, it's got weird connotations that they might not understand.
Pretty similar, but I mean, I haven't met too many Australian people.
No.
I've never been there.
No, I haven't really met many, but if what I kind of perceive is that people are more positive towards Australians
Oh, really?
than they are to Americans.
Oh, then America.
Yeah, definitely.
I feel like English people are more reserved, like British people are more reserved, whereas Australians I found more outgoing.
And why is that? Is there a reason you think?
Absolutely no
Probably
clue why.
like
Maybe more in common.
Culturally closer to them.
Culture.
Okay. Oh, you mean Brits' perception is like
Yeah.
we're better connected to them than Americans?
Potentially.
Probably.
They're our favourite cousin or something.
Maybe our favourite cousin, I'd say, yeah.
And how would you say the accent differs from the English accent?
It's very strong. I'd say it's a bit more comical. Like, it's a bit more, like, engaging.
Right, okay.
Like, a lot more charismatic and, like, that's what from my experience.
They go up at the end like that.
Oh, yeah.
Like that.
I will not be attempting an accent, but
It's got like a twang or something,
Yeah.
hasn't it?
Yeah, it's
Like
lovely
that.
accent.
yeah.
G'day, mate. G'day, mate. All right, Dal.
I think laid back.
Yeah.
Australians like really know how to just ease into, I don't know, just being really chill, laid back. I think British people could really take that.
A major difference I found, and that took ages to get used to, is that right now it's winter and Christmas is in the middle of summer. So you got shrimp on the barbie, you know, like prawns and fish on the beach on a Christmas day.
That is a culture shock, isn't it?
Our humour's much darker, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'd say our programmes and everything is way darker.
Yeah.
But that's our culture and what we've
Yeah.
been.
So the
used
Aussies are
to.
brighter or so? Or
I think they've got a happier outlook on life.
Have you been to Australia or planned?
I've
to
not
go?
been to Australia, no.
Would you like to go?
Yeah, I think I would go.
Yeah?
Like, always up for travelling.
But then would you ever think about going there at all?
We're not great with flying, so.
Yeah.
Honestly, no, I don't think I would.
No?
No.
Because of the spiders in the shoes or the distance?
Maybe the
Combination.
distance, and it kind of almost does feel too close to home.
I hear a lot of couples that go from England to Australia often come back within 5 years because they think it's got that, England by the sun, but it's so different.
Right.
Like there's so many differences. The music, the TV, the sports even.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know in the comments below how many of those 8 Australians you were able to guess correctly and what your thoughts and stereotypes are of Australians. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!